Hello friends, I've never seen such a good website and very easy to use website to get free money and financial help as this website that I'm going to show you right now. And what I really like about this website is that after someone sends money to you, you are going to receive money right away. This is the most important thing about this website. Other websites you can wait for weeks or a month to receive that money, but this website you're going to receive that money right away after someone sends money to you. So right now I want you to see this website. I'm going to show you this payment proof from this website so that you can really believe that this website is really working and you can really get free money from this website. It doesn't matter where you're coming from. This website is worldwide. You can be coming from Africa or Europe or America, you can still get money from this website. So let me show you this payment proof. As you can see here, this person who is called Finora has sent $7. Then we have Maina has sent $6. So let's say that 10 people are going to send you $10 each person. That means you're going to receive at least $100 in one day. So this website is a very good website, and this money will be sent on your bank account right away. You are going to receive that money and you'll be free to use the money however you want. In this video, I'm going to show you top 7 websites that actually work in 2025 worldwide. So let's dive in. Alright, so our very first website is called Chaffy, and all you want to do right now, you have to go to this website. This website is there to help anyone who is facing financial difficulty. So let's say that right now you are in a very bad financial position, like you cannot pay your rent, or you are really sick and you need money to go to hospital, but you currently don't have any amount of money. So all you want to do right now, you have to go to this website and you need to explain like what is really going on with you, like what is your problem. You need to explain there in a very good way, in a very emotional way. After explaining, you need to click this place which is called join. Then you have to join on this platform, and right now I'm going to show you how this platform is working. And I am pretty sure that a lot of people right now, they're saying that they have joined too many platforms but they never received any amount of money. They tried a different website but they never received any amount of money. Right now let me show you this person who is called Ashley. Ashley just joined on this platform and she needs to move from another place, and you can see here she raised more than $80,000. She's just like you. She just went on this platform, explained in a very good way, and now she's receiving good amount of money from kind people and rich people from different places. So you don't have to hesitate. You need to go to this website. You just need to come up with this beautiful story, with this very emotional story that can catch people's attention and start to donate money for you. So right now let's go to the next one. So this next website is very interesting website. It's called Donorbox.com, and all you want to do right now, you have to go to this website, and let's say that you really have genuine intention, you really have genuine heart, and you really want to help people in your society. It can be that you want to build a church, it can be that you want to build a school, or you want to build this orphanage center so that children can stay there and live in a very peaceful way. So for you to get that money to build anything that you want in your community, all you want to do right now, you have to go to this website which is called Donorbox. Then you need to come up with this good reason. You need to explain to them that you want to build a church for a community, or you want to do this just for a community. And after that, good people and kind people are going to donate money for you and make sure that your dream is coming true by donating money. So this website is very, very interesting. And if you have any project, if you have any mission, you may want to go there and start fundraising on this website. Good people are going to donate money for you. This website is not for personal needs. This website is for a mission or any project that you want to do into your community. So all you want to do right now, you have to go to this website, join, and start receiving this donation, just to make sure that you do whatever you want. So let's go to the next one. Alright, so this is a website that I showed you in the beginning of this video. This website is called Kofi, and is a very trusted website, very, very trusted website. And if you think you can make people happy, you're ready to get money from this website, all you want to do right now, you have to go to this website and join on this website, which is called Kofi. And let's say that you have YouTube channel, or you have any platform that you're posting every single day or every single week, and people, they are loving anything that you post. So if people are going to like anything that you post, you have to give them this link from this website, which is called Kofi. They can donate anything to you after watching your content. So this one is very, very interesting, and you're gonna get money right after posting content on any platform that you have. It can be YouTube, it can be Instagram, it can be TikTok, but you need to share this link to your audience so that anyone who wants to donate money for you can go ahead and donate money for you. It can be $10, it can be $20, and I've seen there are a lot of creators who are receiving up to $500 every single month from their audience. So if you think you can make people happy in one way or another, you have to go to join on this website, which is called Kofi. Then you need to share this link to any platform that you're posting your content so that people can go ahead and donate money for you through this link that you posted on your platforms. So right now, let's go to the next website. All right, so this next website is a very known website, and I want to tell you a little story about this website so that you can also go ahead and join on this website right away. This website is called GoFundMe, and I've seen this story on Instagram. There was this single mother from Kenya. She was having big problem. She needed at least $2,500 to make sure that she pays bill for her daughter in the hospital. So all she did is that she joined on this platform, and after that she started to share this link on different Instagram groups, but also on the different Facebook groups. After sharing this link for more than 2 weeks, she received $2,500 right away from good people around the world. A lot of people, they were touched by her story, so they wanted to help her by donating money, and she received this money within only 2 weeks. And I'm pretty sure that if you do the following by sharing this link that you get from GoFundMe website, you can also receive any help that you want. It can be that right now you don't have money to pay for rent. Right now you need money to school and all that. All you want to do right now, you need to join on this platform GoFundMe. Then you need to take this link that you get from GoFundMe. You have to make sure that you share this link from different social media. It can be Instagram, it can be Facebook, and kind of people are going to see your story, then feel the need to donate money for you. So let's go to the next one. This one is called Buy Me a Coffee. This one is different from this other website that I mentioned before, which is called Kofi. This one is called Buy Me a Coffee, and the good thing about this website is that it's available in every country in the world. And let's say that you are an artist right now and you post your art on Instagram or TikTok. So after posting this art, you can direct to your audience to go ahead and donate anything that they have through this website, which is called Buy Me a Coffee. So every time that you post your art on Instagram or TikTok, you need to convince your audience that they should go ahead and donate anything that they feel like donating to you. So I've seen a lot of artists, they do this and they get a reasonable amount of money. They get at least $300 up to $1,000. It depends on where your audience is coming from. So this one is very trusted, and I really want to say that if you're an artist, or if you think that you can go ahead and create Instagram account and start posting anything which brings value, people are going to donate money for you. People are going to be there for you, to support you by donating money on everything that you post on Instagram or TikTok. So I think this one is very good, and I really encourage anyone to go ahead and join on this website, buymeacoffee.com. The website is called Fundraising, and let's say that right now you are going through very hard time. Do not worry, because this website is there to help you. This website is there to help anyone who is facing hard time, and you need to go to this platform, which is called Fundraising, and you have to click this place which is written as Kids and Family. And as you can see here, this person raised the $2,200 from this website. $2,200 just on this website. And all you want to do right now, you need to click this place which is written as Start Fundraising. Then you can start to receive donation after writing good story why people should donate money for you. So the only good thing right now just need to come up with this good reason, with this good story that people can feel the need to donate money for you. After that, a lot of people are going to donate money for you. So this website is very trusted. It's called FundMe, and this is like the website that I would really recommend for anyone who is in need to go ahead and join on this platform. All right, so our last website is called Patreon, and this website is very trusted website, and now it's coming more and more common. So how does this website work? So let's say that you have YouTube channel or you have your own podcast. All you want to do right now, you need to go ahead and join on this platform, which is called Patreon. And after joining on this platform, you need to go ahead and convince your audience that they should follow you on this platform, which is called Patreon, and they will have to pay you at least $5 per every single month. So let's say that you have more than 10 people who are going to follow you there and pay you $5 every single month. That means you can make up to $100. So if you have more than 100 people who are going to follow you there and pay you at least $5 every single month, you'll be in a position to make more than $1,000. So I think this one is very trusted, and I did want to tell you that if you really want to make good money, you may want to go ahead and join on this platform. Patreon is very trusted, and I think is available in too many countries. So thank you so much for watching my videos, and I think that you're going to try each and any of this website that I've mentioned in this video. These are really going to help you if you're facing hard time. These are really going to help you. But if you're really in need of money in urgent way, I think you need to go to this website, which is called chaffy.org. But also you need to go to this website, which is called GoFundMe. As I told you that there are this Kenyan single mother who needed money, and all she did is that she created a GoFundMe. Then she shared her story into many groups on on Facebook, on Instagram, and she got this donation within 2 weeks. So GoFundMe is a very trusted platform, and she's from Kenya. I came to realize that nowadays GoFund is now available in too many African countries. Before, it was really hard to find GoFundMe in African countries, but for now I think it's available. So all you want to do right now, you need to go ahead and join on this website. I would really recommend GoFundMe, Fundry, and and Chaffy.org. So thanks so much, and I really want to see you next time. Bye.